I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a BMW 3 Series front grille. First, let's talk about the tools you'll need for this task. You'll want to have both T20 and T30 Torx screwdrivers ready. A small flathead screwdriver or a specialized pick tool will also be very helpful for releasing clips. Having the right tools makes this job much smoother and prevents potential damage. Now, let's get started with the initial steps. Begin by opening your car's hood and carefully removing the long rubber seal that runs along the front edge. Next, you'll find 8 screws securing the top of the bumper cover. 6 are T30 Torx and 2 are T20 Torx. Remove these, then gently pull the bumper cover forward a few inches to gain access behind the grills. Be mindful of the 4 metallic clips. With the bumper cover slightly pulled forward, you can now access the back of the kidney grills. Use your pick tool or a small flathead screwdriver to carefully release the retaining clips. There are usually 3 clips along the top, 3 along the bottom, and 1 on each side of each grill. Gently pry each clip while pulling the grill forward until it comes free. Take your time to avoid breaking any tabs. Installing your new grill is much simpler than removal. Just align the new grill with the opening and firmly push it into place until you hear all the clips snap securely. Once both grills are installed, carefully push the bumper cover back into its original position, ensuring it aligns with the metal tabs. Reinstall all 8 Torx screws and then the rubber hood seal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Your BMW will look fantastic with its fresh new grille.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.